Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the Tagar plant. It is a flowering shrub that is native to India. This has white flowers and shiny leaves. This plant blooms from July to September and can grow as tall as 5 to 8 feet. This year only my mom purchased the Tagar plant, and within 1 month the plant grew so tall. So my mom here is taking simple care of the plant. First, my mom is digging the soil. As you already know, digging the soil helps in aeration, which helps the roots of the plants breathe. Next, my mom is pruning the plants. As you already know, pruning the plants helps in making the plants more bushier. During this time, you can also prune any kind of damaged branches. And do not forget to remove dead, infected or damaged plant parts and discard them away from plants. Also, these plants prefer full sun to partial shade. So make sure to give this plant at least 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. Also make sure to water the plant in the morning or evening and make sure that the soil is dry between waterings. Overwatering can kill the plant. Now let's give some fertilizer because the plant is tall enough and is blooming flowers soon. For fertilizers, you can give vermicompost, tea leaf compost, kitchen compost. My mom gave kitchen waste compost. Now look at this cute plant. This is the other variety of Tagar, the mini Tagar. Because of improper watering, some leaves of this plant have turned yellow. So make sure to discard these leaves as soon as possible and do proper watering of the plants as well. This plant also needs the same requirements as the Tagar plant. This plant must also have well-draining loamy soil with drainage holes. This is because this plant has a huge watering problem. You can also give kitchen waste compost, vermicompost, tea leaf compost to this plant as well. But do not forget digging before giving any kind of fertilizer. Also during that time, make sure to remove all kinds of weeds. And after giving any kind of fertilizer, make sure to water the plants. This is because watering the plants help in a better absorption of the fertilizer. Here my mom is digging the soil for giving a fertilizer. Here also my mom is giving kitchen waste compost. Kitchen waste compost itself only can fulfill all kind of micro and macronutrients of the plants. And after giving the fertilizer, my mom is simply watering the plants. If you have not got these plants yet, then make sure to get the plant quickly because they will beautify your garden with their flowers. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.